Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Need to find your Android phone's IMEI number? Whether you are checking your phone's warranty, reporting a lost device, verifying authenticity before buying a used phone, or contacting your mobile carrier, knowing your IMEI number is very important. In this video, I will show you three easy ways to check the IMEI number on your Android phone. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1, check IMEI using a dial code. Step 2, find IMEI in settings. Step 3, check IMEI using your Google account. Let's break it down step by step. At step number 1, check IMEI using a dial code. The quickest way to find your IMEI number is by using your phone's dialer. Open the phone app. On the keypad, dial star hash 0 6 hash, or simply type. As soon as you enter the code, your IMEI number will automatically appear on the screen. If your phone supports dual SIM, you will usually see two different IMEI numbers, one for each SIM slot. There's no need to press the call button. Step number 2, find IMEI in settings. Another way is through your phone settings. Open the settings app, scroll down, and tap About Phone. Depending on your Android device, you may need to tap status information or device information. Look for IMEI, SIM slot 1, or IMEI information. Here, you'll find your device IMEI number, along with other information such as the model number, serial number, and software version. This method is useful if you want to copy the IMEI or verify information about your phone. Step number 3, check IMEI using Google Find My Device. If your phone is linked to your Google account, you can also check your IMEI online. Open a web browser and go to Google Find My Device. Sign in with the same Google account that is connected to your Android phone. Select your device from the list. Depending on your device and account, you may be able to view information about your phone, including its IMEI or other device details. This method is especially helpful if you do not have your phone with you, but still need to identify your device. And that's it. Bonus tip. Keep your IMEI number in a safe place, but never share it publicly. Your IMEI is a unique identifier for your phone. If your device is ever lost or stolen, your mobile carrier may ask for the IMEI to help block the device from being used on their network. If you're buying a second-hand Android phone, checking the IMEI can also help you verify the device before completing your purchase. And for disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, Google account, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. Please use your IMEI information responsibly and avoid sharing it publicly to help protect your device and personal information. And that is how to check the IMEI number on your Android phone. Whether you use the dial code, the settings app, or your Google account, you now have several easy ways to find your device IMEI. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.